on a UFO. Look at it. Never saw nothing like this before. Y'all come eat. It's alright. Yeah. What's up, guys? I'm out here with my brother Joey.
Yeah.
At another night of fishing.
Let's go.
To the morning. I just cast bait, some cast, net some bait. Shrimp in. Oh, look at the shrimps and stuff, y'all. You know, this is a fly fish, you know.
Ooh. That's gonna get something, man. It's lively.
Uno. Like so we're in the truck, we see, you know what I'm saying, you guys? This them zip code bite alarm.
All right.
Real, y'all. Maybe zip code sponsor us.
Yeah. Yeah, that'd be cool. I like how it glows green too, so like if we don't see it, we could, if we don't hear it, we can see it.
It start, what can we call it? You'll see the it light up. We just catch the fish. We don't have to come with bait and the shrimp.
Yeah, we just show
Lesson.
up.
Yeah.
Show up, catch the bait, catch the big old bull red. You good? I'm back enough.
Fishy. Oh, shrimp. Oh, for the cat. No, it's pulling in. Found him, bro. Ooh, taking some red. Fighting. Ooh.
Nice, good job. You know where the net is?
Yeah, behind us.
Behind us, okay. All right.
Might be a tuna.
I'm gonna go get the net and keep filming.
Right here, bro.
All right. Just don't fall on the rocks, man. That's okay. Want me to spotlight the fish for you?
Right now.
All right. So I got a camera and a flashlight. I'm kind of helpless at this point. I'll hand you the net. Just tell me what to do.
Concentrate on the
Video. Okay. Big old redfish. Nice.
Yeah,
I'll get. Hey, you want the net now, Tommy?
Let's go.
Okay.
Turn, turn, you guys.
Good job. Wow.
Oh, it broke, man.
Good job, Tommy.
Good time, us.
Yeah. Hey, it's really tricky going up and on the wet rocks. You did it. You got it. That's a nice, yeah, way to start the night off. All right. Good fish. That's a pretty fish right there. All right.
Pretty baby Ray.
All right. You want to stand up and I'll get that picture?
Your stomach.
All right.
It was all the way in his stomach.
All right.
Woo!
Launch it out there. Yeah. All right.
Another one, you guys. Oh, this one fight. And I got a small line. I mean, a small.
Oh, I heard the flush. Oh, look at that. Wow, right back in.
Nice fight.
Yeah. Look at Tom, Colin. Bad.
Maybe on this side now.
Yeah. Listen to the
It's a red. Oh, a nice red. See how the size is?
Yeah.
That's my favorite size, right? Another one, you guys. Yeah, brother. Look at it, almost ripped out.
Bait.
A lot of
Show
shrimp.
real quick. Oh, a little shad and shrimp.
Make sure when y'all do this, set your drag loose. So one, you can hear it when it's at night going like this. See? And for two, the fish won't break your line and you'll have time to come get it, you guys.
But not too loose because what happened?
Yeah.
It's full of it. So, all right. Watch the bait.
One's top, one bottom. Bottom is more tuna. A man caught 2 tunas up.
It's pretty awesome.
Alright,
Right, you got one right here too.
this is
That's just pretty bad. That's
another one, you guys.
Yeah, the camera got you and can't see it yet. Oh, is it the biggest?
Yeah, seems like it's
Alright,
might be a tuna.
heavy. Black drum, redfish tuna.
Yeah,
Let's see. I know, I want to see something different from all that. That thing look heavy. Yeah, so we'll have to go back for the net on this one because it's hard to pull. I know, I'm curious. Got a ball. right, 3 o'clock in the morning, but we heard a fish. Big fish. Let me know if you need a hand. Oh yeah, definitely a big one. So the net's not here. I can go.
Oh, it's a red. It's a nice size.
Yeah. I think I need to get the net, Tommy. You want me to get the net? You keep walking back. Alright, I'm gonna get the net real quick. Alright, got the net.
Nice red, guys.
Yeah. Oh, man.
They all made.
That was tricky, man. I saw the barnacles and I was like,
Yeah, guys.
if he touches this barnacle, he gone, but we got it. All right. Number 3 on the big reds. All right, Tommy, good job.
Good job, us.
Jinx. This Oscar red with the light's pretty cool.
I threw him right here.
Yeah. You good?
I got it. Wait till the